इतना सारा ज्ञान मिल रहा है आज मतलब. How was your TV not exploding or screen or whatever?
Okay. Bad juju.
You know what would be very funny if none of us get a single thing in any pocket.
I
Then
don't-
we'll just be like, oh, okay, we're going to just sit there.
It's every time we miss, so we're
we
just
will
going to
keep
keep
missing.
making. Yeah. Oh, I have to make. Oh, it's punishment time.
These are a lot of questions.
What's the weirdest place you've ever found inspiration?
Actually, this is very weird, but I've found inspiration in insults. Kind of take it a little personal when somebody says something or remarks about something that seems like a backhanded compliment was really an insult. So I take a lot of inspiration in, not proving them right. So,
Okay, let's go.
Sink
But
it.
the board.
Wow. In a world of trams, how do you stay original?
You decide that being a misfit and being messy, which rhymes so well with Tess because Tess
Tessie.
is in a mess, and messes are always original because you can never recreate them.
What she said. This is terrible, guys. I should sing
Dude,
this
cheat,
short,
no.
but this is terrible.
You won't get it.
Hey, I get points for that. वो अंदर जाके बाहर आया.
Even mine went na, then andar jaake bahar aaya.
Yours-
It's not a bathroom, it's a carom board.
Chi.
What's your secret to taking criticism and feedback well?
I don't get any. मैं बहुत अच्छा है, मैं बहुत talented है. No, I take it very well because I think the best criticism I get is from me. So the people who've given me like sort of constructive criticism or feedback usually falls on deaf ears because I've said worse things to me already. So they're actually being nice to me. So that I can use. Wow.
Sorry.
Let's go to the bottom of the fishbowl. All right.
Yes.
What's one cliche in poetry or storytelling that makes you cringe?
Is that without this person you were incomplete? I think you've always been complete yourself, sister. You don't need another piece. You don't need another person to make a piece of you.
See, इतना सारा ज्ञान मिल रहा है आज मतलब इतना talent. How was your TV not exploding or screen or whatever?
But, that means I can ask her 10 questions in a go.
देखा?
Isn't that, like, that's,
Mom, Dad, this for you.
you know, it's technically not in.
Hey,
I mean, technically.
don't be so evil, man. Don't.
But
It's such a
that's
nice
how you
sunny
should
day.
be in life. It shouldn't be like that.
That
in
is
life.
in. It's in.
Oh.
But these are not evil questions. They're quite
They're
nice
really
questions.
nice questions.
Unlike your shots, by the way. How have OTTs changed art?
It's funny when you make something more democratic, right, where you can include more people. I think everything that becomes very inclusive as art will produce a mass amount of it. So art then gets lost and you have to sieve through it to find it.
Great answer. This is why she's doing what she's doing. We'll excuse her this.
This is a
horrible
person
claim.
who, by the way, I think on average, I just saw her book list and it was in triple digits. That's probably just the number of books she's going to read in the next 1 or 2 months. This engineer, actor, writer, storyteller.
Listen, see, this is the bad thing about both of us. Neither of us can take a compliment sitting down because the minute I start saying something nice about her, she has to say something nice about
I'm
me.
just reflecting
And vice
your
versa.
love. Reflecting.
Chha? Sorry, guys. Look away.
What is the strangest thing someone has said to you after a performance? I, of course, am not saying what kind of performance.
One guy came up to me and then he said that I reminded him of New York. Like if I were a city, I'd be New York. Now, since I haven't visited New York, I don't know if that's a compliment or an insult because I've heard shitty things and I've heard great things. That is the strangest thing that's always stuck with me.
I think it's a compliment.
See, but that depends on who
I
you're
mean,
asking, right?
it's like if someone says you were Mumbai, it's a compliment and it
See?
is my turn.
See?
It is my turn, you cheater.
Oh yeah, that's true.
There's no shot to take. Let's just have fun and then
Yeah, do it. Bikhar. Very good. Your I made it moment.
For someone who really believes in serendipity, because I have never really chosen with a plan to move up to something. Like this is an I made it moment.
It is. For sure.
Really is.
For sure.
And having Gulzar Saab, the name that we've said since the day we began Commune and the day we dreamt of Spoken, we've said this name like Beetlejuice, hoping and hoping and hoping he will appear. Maybe if I say it once or twice or thrice, but I find it really interesting that this is the 8th year. And yeah, he's here finally on stage.
Guys, I think you can also clap. Yeah, yeah, you can clap. That's a great one. That's a great story. That's a nice one. It's a nice one.
What was the first yes that started your career?
Oh shit!
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Actually, yeah, my first yes happens to be the first job that I ever did, which was a Telugu film. Please don't look it up. It's called Sneha Geetam. She made me say it. But I was in college studying for my engineering degree. That is how I will frame that sentence. But in my second year of college, I got the opportunity to audition, and that was the yes that changed my life. Because that's when I actually, like, you know, when people say they found the one, you just know. And I never understood how you just know. But when I was in front of the camera on set, I just knew. So I'm like, so maybe people know about this love thing.
That's why we snap. That's why we snap. And I.
Wow! सब कुछ miss करके. Trick shot.
Yeah,
You wanted to hit this one only. I'm telling you. That was it.
And
You were
move
aiming.
this exactly to that point.
Correct. That was
You know
on
why I'm
purpose.
playing badly, right? You know.
Yeah, it's on
Because
purpose.
I just want you to ask me questions.
I know. This is not a reflection
not-
on your
yeah.
talent or skill.
No. Is it a fun
An
last question?
old tradition you would like to bring back. Something people used to do.
I find airports the most romantic places on the planet. And I think there's nothing like, you know, a hug before longing begins. And I would love that we could be back to the airports where you could see people off inside with ease without fear.
Yeah.
Like I think fear is on the periphery of so many things in our lives right now. And I really wish we could go back to a time when fear was not there.
I like
And yeah, and that love was there.
I like
And goodbyes were there, and coming home and welcome backs were there.
I like that. Nice. So there are two things. I wish, it's not about bringing back a tradition. I'll have an answer for that also. But I wish we had more celebration of love in PDA. Like genuinely, I feel we're more accustomed to seeing people abuse and slap each other, which we're okay with strangely.
Yeah.
But somebody like hugs or kisses in public, that's something that we're still not used to. I want to get that tradition in. And another tradition that is, I don't know, I'm classifying it under older traditions, but we should bring manners back. Yeah, I think we've lost that a little bit. I would really like if people started understanding how to behave in public. Have a little sorry, thank you, more please was there. Little decorum, thoda manners, little.
Have you been to this place called Spoken Fest? I mean, 5,000 people sit absolutely quietly and listen to people talk. And people
Rare
say
example.
poetry
I
and tell
wish
stories.
more people
It's a
were like
place
this.
where manners not only come back, you can find them and take them home.
That should be your tagline. That's a great way to end this. Come on, this is a great way to end this. Can't end it better than that.